Today we're going to uncover 5 daily habits that are silently harming your health. You may not realize the long-term effects of these habits on your body, but they could be the hidden culprits behind your fatigue, dizziness, and digestive discomfort. The most surprising one is number 4. It's incredibly common, and you may have never noticed its danger. Let's take a look and see if you've fallen into any of these traps. Is your body thirsty? Have you had enough water today? Forget the coffee and milk tea, your body craves water. Drinking water boosts your energy and helps your liver flush out toxins. Aim for at least 2 liters of water each day to keep your metabolism in check and your skin glowing. Chronic dehydration can lead to more than just thirst. It can cause fatigue, headaches, dry skin, and even increase your risk of kidney stones. So next time you reach for that coffee, ask yourself, how much water have I had today? Your body will thank you. The secret of takeout: your health might pay the price. Who doesn't love takeout? It's a lifesaver in our busy lives. But did you know that those delicious meals are often packed with excess oil, salt, and sugar? Regularly indulging can overwork your liver and increase the risk of obesity and high blood pressure. Want to eat happily and stay healthy? Try cooking more at home with fresh ingredients and limit the use of seasonings. Don't let takeout become the hidden enemy of your health. Add liver tonic to the mix to help your liver lighten the load and safeguard your well-being. Skipping sleep? Your liver might be protesting. Binge-watching shows or working late? Feels like there's never enough time in the day? Well, your liver doesn't think so. Nighttime is crucial for liver repair and detoxification, and lack of sleep can impair its function. Over time, this can lead to fatigue, poor skin, and even increase the risk of heart disease. Stop burning the midnight oil and establish a regular sleep routine. Let your liver work its magic while you rest. Add liver tonic to your routine for even better liver repair and a more restful night. Sitting too long? Your liver is crying. How long have you been sitting today? If you spend most of your day in a chair, watch out. Prolonged sitting doesn't just make your back ache, it wears out your liver too. Sitting too long slows blood flow and makes fat more likely to accumulate in your liver, increasing the risk of fatty liver. Get up and move around. For every hour you sit, remember to stand up and stretch. Your liver will thank you. Want even stronger liver protection? Try Liver Tonic, a powerful supplement that effectively supports liver health and helps you handle the stress of modern life. Phone addicts, give your eyes a break. Can't stop scrolling your phone? Be careful. Staring at the screen too long not only strains your eyes but also messes with your sleep. Especially at night, the blue light from your phone suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Try taking a 5-minute break for every 30 minutes of phone use to relax your eyes and brain. Your eyes will thank you, and your sleep will improve. Small changes, big health benefits. Today we discussed 5 daily habits that silently harm your health. Did you find yourself guilty of a few? Don't worry, start making small changes today. From drinking more water, ordering less takeout, getting enough sleep, sitting less, to giving your phone a regular break. These simple habit adjustments will greatly benefit your body. Remember, health is built over time. You don't need to change everything all at once. Just make a little progress each day, and you'll enjoy a healthier, fuller life. If you found today's content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share in the comments which bad habit you're guilty of. Let's break these unhealthy habits together and embrace a healthier future.